If you want to apply a discount on your products and have it auto-apply in the cart like this, you can set it up with Shopify's native discount. But this way, the savings don't show on the product page, and there's no urgency to push customers to buy. It would be better if the discounted price shows right on the product page. Nice price ending with a countdown timer to create urgency, or even a daily or weekly sale schedule. Then, once added, the discount automatically applies in the cart. I'm Ruby, and that's exactly what I'll show you how to set up today, using the product discount feature from BOGOS, free Gift Bundle Upsell app, one of the top solutions for this on Shopify. You can also try its free plan via my link in the description. All right, let's get started. From the BOGOS sidebar, go to All Offers, click Create Offer, then choose Discount Offer and Product Discount. Now, let's fill in the basics. The offer name is for internal use within the app only. The offer title and description are what customers see on the countdown timer. And you can set a start and end time to schedule the offer if needed. Right below that, you'll see this repeat discount in a time range option. This one's handy if you want to run a recurring sale, like a daily flash sale at lunch hour. Then choose how often it repeats, either every day or custom days to run something like a weekday-only deal. Notice that you set both an offer end time and a daily end time. The countdown timer will count down to the earlier of the two. To next, we choose which products the discount applies to. You've got 5 options here. Just pick what fits your campaign. Please notice that if a product has multiple discounts running at the same time, only the largest discount will apply. Then add sub-conditions, which make sure only the right customers see and qualify for the discount. For example, target first-time buyers using customers' order history, reward your VIPs using customer tags, or customers from specific markets. To offer it to everyone, just skip this. If you want to keep this offer limited, use the maximum discount uses field. The first option caps the total number of redemptions across all customers, something like discount for the first 50 orders. The second one limits each customer to redeeming the discount only once. For logged-in customers, BOGOS checks their account usage. And for guest customers, BOGOS checks their emails past orders at checkout. Now, the core of our offer, the discount itself. First, pick your discount type among percentage, fixed amount, and fixed price. That fixed price one is actually a nice trick if you want to run a flat price sale across your whole store. And if you go with a percentage, you can also set a max discount cap, like 10% off, max $50, to protect your margin. Next is Override Cents. This lets you replace the cents part of the final price with a value you set for cleaner looking prices. Oh, and if you're using Shopify Markets, you can add a different value for a different currency that syncs with your Shopify Markets. All right, final section. By default, BOGOS auto-generates a discount code for you. But if you want something like 20% off, just tick Add a custom discount code and rename the original name of BOGOS. As for combinations, if you don't want this product discount to stack with order or shipping discounts, just untick the option you'd like to exclude. When everything looks good, hit Publish, and the product discount is now live. After publishing, don't forget to make it look good on your storefront. Head to Customize, then Discount, then Product Discount. Here, you'll find 2 things to set up. First, the countdown widget, the timer that creates urgency on your product page. You can play around with everything here, from the display style to the colors. Second, the discount price display, which shows the discounted price next to the original, along with a discount label like this. Again, just adjust it however you want, from the typography to the color. And that's it! You now know how to create Shopify automatic discount using a product discount by BOGOS app. Try it out with the BOGOS free plan in my description. I'm Ruby, and see you in the next video.